What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going back into Kruger. We did that this morning, and we're going back again in our own car this time. So I will show you guys an animal in a moment. I think we see a hippo. Okay, the hippo is down there. It's in the water. It's hard to see. Anyway, sorry if you didn't see it. So anyway, yeah. And just ignore a cord. Okay, so we're entering the proper park now. And I'll see you when we see another animal. Okay guys, we arrived at our first animal sighting. Let's put the window down.
We just found
Some impala.
aka
Look at them.
McDonald.
Look at the butt. It has an M on it. It's funny.
So if you see this,
Their nickname is McDonald.
yes, don't mind Taylor.
Yep.
So
Some yummy chicken nuggets.
Taylor!
No, I mean it says McDonald's, so does that mean chicken nuggets?
No, Taylor, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Okay, I'll see
Okay,
you
we'll see when we see some more animals. Okay guys, we've just seen some impala and zebra. And see the zebra? It's quite cool to see the zebra. We haven't seen zebra in a while. Anyway, I'll see you when we see some more animals. Hey guys, we see a giraffe. It's right there. You can see its big head. Tail's also gonna form now. He looks like a baba.
Yeah, but where is its mom then?
Maybe its mom is somewhere else. I don't know. Maybe its mom went to work. Anyway, I'll see you guys all when we see another animal. Guys, we just stopped at a lake with some hippo. Hi, Tay. Hi. Oh, by the way, go subscribe to Tay Tay. Okay. So look, there's a hippo right there. It's really nice. Yeah, we'll get you guys a clear picture in a few minutes. Hey guys, we have a really good view now. Look, there's also two buffalo. Let me show you guys. It's really far. It's really hard to see. But you can see it right over there. And there's another one there. There's also a hippo right there. It's hard to see.
There's one here.
Yeah, there it is.
Here.
Yeah, that's the one. You see, it
Here's
really
another one.
looks like
Was it the same one that's moving? It moves fast then.
There's a hippo, yeah, the hippo's running under the water. Yeah, and it's really cool. Oh, why are you putting my window up? Look at the... They're so wonderful. Look, it's surfacing. And now it's going under. It's diving. Did you hear that? Lift your car up, please. The hippo's bellowing. So yeah, it's really cool. I'll see you guys later. Change of plans. Guys, look, it's lifting its head. Now it's emerged again. It's so cool. Okay, now I'll see you later. Guys, we just found elephants.
Don't mind Taylor.
Oopsies. And look, you guys. Okay, look. There's a baba there shaking it. There's also Mama, Dada, Naja, Papa. So yeah, they're really cute. And we'll show you if we see some other animals.
It's moving.
Bye. See you in a few minutes. Guys,
a giant killer ant.
Hey guys, we just
Ant
found
here, boy. What ant is it?
a crocodile. It's down there. This is by the bridge where we entered the gate. Anyway, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.